Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Today we will do chapter 15 degrees of comparison. Like in the last chapter we use adjectives, and why we use adjectives? Not only to describe people but also to compare them. How? Just see. Lakshman is a strong man, right? If we are talking about only Lakshman, we will say Lakshman is a strong man. But if we want to compare, Aslam is stronger than Lakshman. If we want to compare two people, so we will say obviously someone will stronger, and Aslam is stronger than Lakshman. We are comparing two. Here there are three. Balram is the strongest of the three. Means most of the time इसमें से कोई ना एक तो होगा ना जो सबसे ज़्यादा strong होगा, right? So Balram is the strongest of the three. So now why we have used stronger, strong, stronger and strongest? What is the difference? It is positive degree, it is comparative degree, and it is superlative degree. Look at here, when we want to describe a person or thing but there is no comparison, okay, please try to understand. If there is no comparison, we use positive degree. When we want to compare two persons or things, okay, two persons, it is comparative degree. When we want to compare more than two persons or thing, right, when we want to compare more than two persons, we use the superlative degree. There are so many examples of comparative degree and superlative degrees. Please, you have to read out all this. And now we will do the exercise number D. Write the correct adjective to complete this sentence. January is the coldest month of the year. Now if you see here, we are saying January is the coldest month of the year. Basically we want to say कि January is the coldest, सबसे ज़्यादा ठंडा, right? So we use coldest. Superlative degree. Mumbai is bigger than Delhi. Now here we are comparing two cities. We are comparing two cities. That's why we will use comparative degree. It is bigger. The giraffe has a longer neck. Now here we are not comparing giraffe to anyone. We are just saying a statement. So a giraffe has a long. It is positive degree. Long neck. Mrs. Dutt, our English teacher, is the friendliest person. Again, we are not comparing anyone here. So positive degree. Friendly. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Now here we want to say this Mount Everest is the highest, means सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा, सबसे ज़्यादा ऊंचा. Okay, highest. So means superlative degree. Plum is a juiciest fruit. So we are not comparing plum to anything. So juicy. This is the sharper of the two knives. Now again we are using two things. Comparative. Raghav is the most hardworking child in our class. Now again we are saying we are using superlative degree, most hardworking. The Rajdhani Express is faster than Himgiri Express. Two things, so comparative. The parrot is more talkative than other birds. Now here we are comparing parrot to other birds, so it will be more talkative. Now next exercise is E. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in the bracket. Mona is now here it is option. Mona is a sharper girl in. Mona is the sharpest girl. T. It will be T. Sharpest girl in the class. Just everyone, if in notes there are some difference, no problem, you can see in the this video and write the proper answers, right? In the notes there are some difference. It is Mona is the sharpest, it is T. No other girl in the class is as sharp as Mona. Lotus is a beautiful flower. A rose is more more beautiful than lotus. A Sirius is the brightest star. It is brighter than the sun. No other star is as bright as Sirius. Yesterday was a very hot day. Today is even hotter than yesterday. It could be the hottest day of the season. Now one more exercise that you were talking about, it is this chapter 6 subject and predicate exercise C. So many students were confused, so let me just again explain this again. C exercise, first one, the travelers, underline the travelers. All the members of the team, underline all members of the team. Against the wall stood a long ladder. A long ladder is a subject. The leader of the party, underline leader of the party. My ambition is to become a heart surgeon. My ambition is subject. These children's favorite indoor game is chess. These children's favorite indoor game, subject. Now you see, do not speak ill of anyone. Here there is no any subject, right? There is no any subject, because if we say do not speak ill of anyone, so we are saying you, na? If we are actually indicating you, so there is no subject. Most people in the countryside lead a simple life. Most people in the countryside, subject. Who brought these beautiful flowers? Who, subject. On the table lay all his books. All his books is subject.